Hi guys, I am Noor. I'm an architect and illustrator, and here are the 3 steps of my drawing process. 1. Establishing the foundation of the drawing. 2. Sketching the outlines of the biggest elements. And lastly, details and shadings. And if I had to choose the most important part, I would probably say that it's the foundation. This means starting with basic shapes, defining the perspective lines, and ensuring the correct proportions. Starting with basic shapes is an excellent way to simplify complex objects and break them down into more manageable parts. By deconstructing the subject into its fundamental geometric components such as boxes, rectangles, and cylinders, you can simplify the process and adjust the proportions correctly. It's a fundamental principle in art that allows you to gradually build upon these basic shapes, refining your work and adding complexity while maintaining a strong foundation. So when you look closer at some of my drawings, if you throw away the details, you can see the foundation lines. And while you may expect to see clear and straight lines, well, that's not usually the case, because drawing the foundations is something that needs to take time, tracing and tracing again until finding the accurate shapes with the right proportions in perspective. Let us start drawing this together. First of all, I would recommend you to not push on your pencil. Hold it loosely, make really light lines. We don't really want those lines to be seen. Find the right placement for the vanishing points. In this case, there are 2 vanishing points. Don't be afraid to draw random lines across your paper until you find them. This stage forms the backbone of your artwork and set the stage for everything that follows. Once your foundation is in place, you can bring sketching the outlines of the major elements into your composition. These could be buildings, objects, or any key features. Make sure to use your established perspective lines as a guide to maintain accurate proportions and angles. You can move on to adding details and shading. This step brings your drawing to life by adding texture, depth, and realism. Pay attention to light and shadow to create a 3-dimensional effect. So, without a solid and accurate foundation, achieving the right proportion and perspective becomes much more challenging. So take as much time as you need to set up your drawing correctly in the initial stage. The rest of your artwork will flow more smoothly. Also, I used to be so discouraged when my drawing wasn't the way I wished it was, but don't be afraid to make mistakes. If a line or shape doesn't meet your expectations, don't hesitate to erase and try again. Remember that every stroke contributes to your development. So, embrace these moments and continue practicing. That's all for this video. If you made it until now, I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, it's completely free and you have new videos and freebies every week. And until next time, you can check out these. See you!